Hi, I'm Kelly, and just finishing up our We the Medicine retreat. Um, I want to share a bit about my experience. I came into this knowing I needed something, and I didn't really know what it was, and I was afraid, and it's just truly been really one of the most amazing, relaxing, really understanding myself and what I need experience. And David really brought together all of the right people in the right places for us to be to make this happen. And I just can't possibly be any more grateful for his guidance and really showing us how we can find within ourselves what we need. I would recommend this to anyone that is looking to understand more about themselves and to really feel at peace and happy with where they are in the world. Thank you so much.